Leo the lion cub solves the forest noise problem. Leo the lion loved his forest, but lately it had become so noisy. The birds sang too loud, the monkeys chattered all day, and even the woodpeckers wouldn't stop tapping. How can anyone think with all this noise? Leo wondered. He decided to find a solution. Leo called a meeting with all the animals. The forest is too noisy, he said. We need to find a way to make it peaceful again. The animals argued at first. But I love to sing, said a bird. I need to chatter, said the monkey. Leo listened patiently. Then Leo had an idea. What if we each take turns making noise? That way everyone gets a chance, and the forest gets some peace too. The animals looked at each other and nodded. They agreed to try it. The next day, the animals followed Leo's plan. In the morning, the birds sang their songs. In the afternoon, the monkeys chattered and played. And at night, the frogs croaked by the moonlit pond. The forest became calm, and everyone had their special moment to shine. With everyone working together, the forest became a place of harmony and joy. Leo smiled, knowing he had helped bring balance to his home. And from that day on, the forest wasn't just a noisy place, it was a happy one.